iPhone 15 design to feature a titanium case and may have iPhone 5C style rounded back. Leaker. Leaker is the one who gave this information.
Yeah.
He's just known
That's his
as
name?
Leaker. Hey, man, you still leaking? Hey, man. You damn right I am.
Oh, it's a good one. It's a good name.
You still leaking? Shrimp Apple Pro is the leaker. Weren't you eating shrimp last night, Ryan?
Another good name.
Tell the truth. Did you eat shrimp last
Yeah,
night?
I had some
You're
shrimp
damn right you
and,
did.
yeah, sushi, shrimp. Yeah, it's good.
A leaker with a decent track record has reported that the iPhone 15 design will feature titanium casing. Titanium, we want that. That's fun. I mean, the watch was titanium. I'm not wearing it right now. Don't ask me why. Rather than a squared edge of the current model, there's a little more curve to it because it's kind of a brick right now, isn't it?
It's quite sharp.
It might give next year's iPhone lineup a similar profile to the iPhone 5C. I don't know if anybody even remembers this phone, the 5C. It was with all the fancy colors. The initial images posted, which were purely illustrative and not of the actual casing, weren't very clear in their intent, but the leaker followed up with a clarification that the information appeared to point to a similar profile to the iPhone 5C. Profile, but probably not scale, because that was a small phone. It's kind of a fun phone. I don't know.
Very colorful.
Yeah, I don't know why that
was plasticky.
It looks like Skittles.
Yeah.
Did you ever have Skittles, Will?
I like the sour one.
Is that the yellow package?
Takes it up a notch.
Is that the yellow package?
Is it yellow?
Or is it green?
I think green.
Yeah,
actually.
I thought it was
I think
green.
it's green.
Yeah, I don't know, guys. It's really, there's something about those Skittles.
Yeah, it's good candy.
It's just the, I think everybody, you envision like a giant bowl or even like maybe like a large glass. Maybe M&Ms works with that too.
M&Ms, they fill
like you
up,
would go to some luxury party or something, it'd be a huge bowl. Can you give me a huge bowl? Maybe you're not gonna get sour
get
Skittles.
something. There you go. There's like a
No.
Oh, like a real big
Glass. We need a Skittles glass bowl, guys. Look at these ugly bowls over here.
Like one of these?
No.
What are you looking for?
We need a big glass bowl.
That'd be a lot of Skittles.
Oh, we're getting there now. We're getting
so
there.
close.
We're in there. We're getting there. These all suck.
So suck.
All right. Well, okay. Do M&Ms. M&Ms. Very similar bowl scale. Someone there put it right on the popcorn. Well, okay. This all sucks. It's like, for sure it's out there, and that's the problem. And I don't know who to blame, but it's out there. There is a huge bowl full of M&Ms on the internet, and there's a huge bowl full of Skittles on the internet. And actually, if you were just on YouTube right now, there'd be some Russian channel with a kid sitting in front of a giant bowl, guaranteed. Because I'm not the first person that thought of this. Promise you that.
Did you want a bowl?
No, I just want to see it.
You just want to see it.
Yeah, we don't need to eat that. I don't even. Okay, so Skittles or M&Ms, which one? We only get one.
That's a tough one.
I'll go Skittles. Yeah.
Wow.
I'm a chocolate guy over candy, but I'll go Skittles in that with those two choices. Yeah. If it's just those two choices, I go Skittles.
Wow.
Why not? They're both good.
You did the same, Will?
No, I think I'll go for M&Ms.
M&Ms are good too.
Okay,
Man.
well, I like a healthy split. I like that each of you found the other side of the fence. Nobody's sitting on the fence here.
No, I mean I could go either way, but I chose.
What about you?
I don't have to tell you.
He's on the fence.
I don't have to answer that.
All right.
M&Ms, but it would have to be the peanut ones, which Will can't eat them.
Oh right.
So I didn't want to say it. I didn't want to.
Yeah, that would be rude.
Well, you did.
Well, you forced me. Well, actually, there's so many different M&Ms now. Actually, there's an almond one that I like as well. There's a lot of different M&Ms now. So anyway, this is, what is this? This is Shrimp Apple Pro's kind of like render looking deals. Early information. I have the iPhone 15 will feature a new border design. The back corner, as pointed out in the images, will be rounded and not square anymore. The material will also be titanium.
So the front would be sharp, but the back would have a round.
Is that right? Are you sure? Because look at the way he's
Kind of
pointing.
like this, right?
Well, it's not sharp, though. Not as sharp as it is now. Anyway, I want titanium and I like curves, so I'm down for it, Will. The phone right now, it feels luxurious, it feels like jewelry, and it feels different compared to other phones, but it's a brick. That thing is a brick, dude. So I don't mind if they go for something a little more sculpted, like comfy. It's fine with me.
All right.